In this guide, I'm going to show you how to delete part of recording on TikTok. Intro. So say you go ahead and record a video, and we'll go ahead and use a video that's already been recorded for the sake of this video. It works the exact same way. You're going to be on a screen that looks something maybe like this, alright? What you're going to want to go ahead and do once you're on this is either tap the edit button or swipe up, and it's going to pop up with a page that looks like this. You're going to want to go ahead and find whatever segment it is that you want to out. For example, let's go ahead and say we want to out putting on the backpack right here. So we'll go ahead and go to the beginning, split it, and then go to the end of where he's putting on the backpack. We'll just go to the end of that, right? Where he walks out with this plant, split again, and then you just got to hit delete. And just like that, it's deleted. The process really is as simple as that. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.